Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What's good? What's good? What's good? So yeah guys, welcome and welcome to the new subbies. Welcome, the warmest welcome ever, and to my regular honey, welcome back. So I am back with a video, a review. Is it my first ever review? I would like to believe so. It is, and it's a fashion video. So I have male subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. It means a lot. We are building a community here, like literally. My dog is over there and I don't know why it's Ewan, what are you doing? What's up? Chocolate. So my dog is over here because it doesn't let me do anything in peace. But anywho, honey child, I am back with another video. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. If you're new and you're watching this video and you're thinking, should I subscribe, should I not? Honey, come on. Come on. Come on. Subscribe. Leave comments down below. Give the video a huge thumbs up. And yeah, follow me on all my social media platforms. It's Mpo Messenger on everything. So yeah, guys. Let's get into the video before I ramble too much, child. Today I am doing a review online. Is it a boutique online store review? So it's Yellow Sub Trading. Probably we have heard of it, probably not. It's an online store that sells clothes. So I don't have really much time to be going to stores as of late, but I thought, like, online store is very convenient. So I saw this on Instagram. I saw it on Instagram. I've been following them for quite some time and I've been meaning to buy something there. They have cute classic, they have cute pieces, so I thought, let me just grab some here and there. Yeah, so I bought this is what I got. I hope my information will be on this. Yeah, so this is what I got. It's funny how I was watching a review. I was watching a couple of reviews on YouTube. Oh my gosh, did I just forget YouTube? On YouTube, and a lot of people were getting a Yellow Sub logo packaging. And why am I getting MDS? Why? It's the sabotage for me. It's literally the sabotage for me. So I bought things on Yellow Sub. I think they got delivered the following day of purchase. That's how quick they mean business. And initially they should have delivered the same day. I don't know what happened, and then they end up delivering it the following day. So let me show you guys what I got. So it comes with a receipt. I can show you guys. It has my information, like, and everything. So technically it's just an invoice. Let me just do this. It's just an invoice of what I bought, how much it was, my address, my information, their address, their information. That's it. So I won't be showing my business on these streets. So yeah. And oh my gosh, I bought these online and I don't know. Let's get down to business. So I bought 4 items. So they come in packets like these. So yeah, the first thing that I bought is on this packet. Okay, this looks nice. So the first thing I bought is a bodysuit. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. You cannot tell me. I love the detailing. I don't know if you guys can see the detailing on the bodysuit. stunning, and it's in the size large. I bought large, and it's a nice meshy see-through bodysuit. I'm in here for the detail, honey. It's a bodysuit. It was 95 rand. I bought it on Yellow Sab. Yeah, it's a very nice bodysuit. We can wear this with absolutely anything. Your jeans, your casual mom jeans, your boyfriend jeans, your cargo pants, your suit formal pants, Alice. And the quality, it's so nice, because I just thought it's gonna be that sheer, what can I say, that sheer material, man. But it looks nice. It actually looks nice, and even the quality of it, I love it. I literally died when I saw this dress, and I was like, I'm getting you, honey, you're mine. I died, and it was on sale. It was 100 rand. The funny thing is, when I go to the online store, the dress is no longer there. Why? I don't know. But I got look at this. It's a short dress. Love the rugy detailing. It snatches your body like nobody's business. The color is stunning. I don't typically wear white. I'm not that girly. I love your nude, I love your nude, your neutral, but I never gravitate towards pink, and I thought, let me try pink. It's a meshy see-through long arm, and you can wear this off shoulder or just normally. And it has these, also has these are your bra stripes, so if you do want, you can wear this off the shoulder, or you can use this bra strips, put them in and wear it like so. So this is how it looks like, and it was in a size small, and it only had small because it was on sale, so I just took small, and it looks quite stretchy, so I think I'll be able to fit into this. It's quite stretchy. I love it. I gagged. I love it. And even the back, nice, stunning. I am impressed. And the next thing that I bought is leather pants. And funny story is, I'm gonna wear these pants June on my friend's birthday. So I bought these leather pants on a size large because I thought June will be cold, so I'll be able to wear something underneath. Ne? Alright. Guess what? They have a cushion detailing, which is stunning. It's warm, so I don't have to wear anything underneath. Like, what? It's crazy. So these are the brown leather pants. Leather pants never go out of style, child. Don't let anyone lie to you. These are vintage. These are an OG. So yeah, and I love purchasing things that are timeless. This is timeless. So this is how it looks like. The length, it seems like it's gonna be a little bit too long for me, and this is how the detailing in the front looks like. Love it. It's a high waist situation, and it comes with a belt. Love it. I absolutely love. I am so excited about this one. So I bought a bag because I'll be wearing that dress with a bag, and I thought this bag will be probably that color or that shade of pink. I thought it would be this shade of pink, but it's slightly lighter. Okay, it's a lot lighter, let me not lie, it's lighter, but I love the detailing. I love the detailing of this mini bag. It's a mini bag. Yeah, on the website it's written mini bag. So yeah, and this was, how much was it? Let me see. This was 180. This was 180. Oh my gosh, I love the detailing of this. It's so stunning. And this is how the bag looks like, and this is how the bag looks like. Yeah, so we open it up. It's just, oh child, and this has been in style. Hey, there's chunk chain situations, they are on trend right now. So this is how the bag should initially look like. How stunning is this? Or you can wear it like this, but I think this is not convenient, so it's better like this. Stunning. I love it. I'm in love with this dress. I can't wait to wear this. It also has a strap. I don't think I'll be using the strap as of the coming event that I'll be going to, but in future, yes, I'll use the straps. But for now, I don't think I'll be using the straps. Stunning. So this bag retails for 180. The trouser pants retail for 220. The dress was 100 rand, and then the bodysuit was 95 rands. So yeah, that's how much they cost. So delivery wise, they delivered the following day. Initially it was supposed to be same day, and I am just impressed. Quality of the clothes, stunning, amazing. I don't have any complaints. Detailing, packaging wise, because they packaged the bag pretty much nicely, because this loses its shape, they packaged it nicely. And the gold chain had this to protect it from it, and also this material, and also these for your clothes and stuff. I am impressed with the packaging, delivery service, amazing. And I also love the fact that they communicated throughout the day. Probably they sent me 5 messages, if I'm not mistaken, about my payment, the shipment, what time will they get here, and if there's anything that I want to ask or I have a problem with. Like, their communication is top notch. I give them 10 out of 10. That's it for my yellow sub review. I hope you enjoyed the thingy, and it's quite simple though. You just go to yellow sub trading.com, and you go there, you choose. There are so many categories. There's bags, there's dresses, there's trousers, there's swimwear, there's jewelry. You just go there. It's just simple, and you select whatever you want. You pay. The payment is just straightforward. Everything is just straightforward on their website. They're also in Instagram. I'm not sure on Facebook. They're also in Instagram. If you don't understand anything, you can always pop in their DMs and ask whatever you want. So, and their communication is just, it's just on A. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and it was informative. So yeah, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, leave comments down below, follow me on all my social media platforms. It's in Paul Messenger, and that's it. Love you till the next one.